Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal cookies without raisins. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets with parchment. Cream butter and both sugars until light, then beat in eggs and vanilla. Mix dry ingredients into the wet batter and fold in chocolate chips or chopped nuts as substitutes. Scoop dough into even portions and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until golden. Use rolled oats and measure accurately for consistent results, and chill the dough when you want thicker cookies that hold their shape. Creaming butter and sugars creates a lighter batter, so beat until creamy before adding eggs. Add mix-ins last and avoid over-mixing to keep tender crumb, then let cookies rest slightly on the sheet after baking to finish setting and avoid breakage. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel and future recipe videos. Quick recommendation: I read a helpful book called The Simple Path to Wealth that changed how I think about money, and it makes a funny companion to kitchen budgeting and grocery planning. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Enjoy the next tips. Now let's get back to the video. Try mix-ins like dark chocolate, chopped pecans, or dried cranberries if you want variety without raisins. For chewier cookies, add 1 extra egg yolk and watch the baking time closely to avoid overbaking. To keep cookies soft, cool fully, then store in an airtight container with a slice of bread, and warm briefly in the microwave before serving to refresh their texture and aroma.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.